In this video, I'm going to make melt and pour rose soap by using melt and pour soap bases and rose essential oil. This soap provides you the luxurious feeling and decrease anxiety and stress. Plus it also helps to relieve the body pain. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. For making this soap, we need opaque melt and pour soap base of Pure and So Select and a crystal soap base. Fragrance oil, I'm using Amber Romance. Concentrated liquid colorant, rubbing alcohol, 2 rose shaped silicone mold, a small size silicone mold, square shaped silicone molds, a jar. So these are all the tools and the materials which are used in making this DIY rose soap. Firstly, take the opaque melt and pour soap base. From this opaque base, we have to make soap flowers of different colors. So cut it into the smaller pieces. After cutting it, take a single silicone mold or any microwave safe container. Put the soap cubes into it and microwave it for 30 to 20 seconds. After microwaving, take rose shaped silicone mold and a red liquid soap color. Add few drops of it. You can also add more. It completely depends on you how much the darker color you want. According to it, you can vary the quantity. Now smoothly pour the melted soap into the molds. Make sure all the linings of the petal will fill properly. And similarly, fill the second container. After filling it, spray the rubbing alcohol over it and keep them aside. After that, take the crystal melt and pour soap base, cut it into the half, and as follows, cut it into the smaller pieces. So this translucent soap base is going to give us a transparent body around our opaque soap flowers. This crystal soap base is around 250 grams. After cutting, fill the cubes into the jar and keep it aside. Now take the rose shaped silicone molds. Let's unmold the molds as they become hardened. What we have to do is slightly stretch the mold from all sides so that the soap will become free. After that, push the mold with the help of your fingers from the lower side so that the rose flower will pop out. And same technique for the another flower. Okay, so these are our rose shaped flowers. After that, take the crystal soap base and microwave it until it gets melt. Over here in this box, I have some rose flower soap with different colors which I made previously. I have them in black, pink, yellow, blue, white and orange. Take the square shaped silicone mold and place the flowers in the middle of the cavity. And yes, please check the height of them. The accurate height of the flower is 2 cm less than the height of the square mold. As the height of my flower is more, so I'm slicing it from the back side a little bit. Okay, now put the flower one by one in each cavity. Make sure the flower will fit in the middle of the cavity. After the arrangement of the flower, take the crystal melted soap. So in this liquid phase, I'm gonna add the fragrance oil and the essential oil in it. So for the essential oil, I'm using the rose essential oil. Take a small size container. In that, add 4 to 5 drops of the rose essential oil. Essential oil are the highly concentrated oil. So whenever we used in the soaps or the creams, we need to blend it with the carrier oil. So I'm using almond oil as a carrier oil. After mixing with the carrier oil, pour the oil into the melted soap. After this, I'm using the fragrance oil. This is the Amber Romance. As I'm making the rose soap, so this fragrance oil goes very well with the soap. Add the fragrance oil according to your wish. If you want a stronger odor, then you can use it in a more quantity. But I'm highly sensitive to the scents and the fragrances. That's why I use them in a very little quantity. Mix them properly. take the silicone molds. I have used the 2 rose flowers of red color. Left the first flower. I will show you what to do with that. Slowly and carefully fill the melted soap in the cavities. As we use the rose essential oil in this soap, apart from its good fragrance, rose essential oil has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties, which makes this soap ideal to treat tropically. Now after the filling, spray the rubbing alcohol over it so that any bubbles, if present, will remove out. As we left our first cavity empty, so for that, take the red color, add 1 to 2 drops of it into the crystal soap base and mix it well. In this melted soap, we already add the essential oil and the fragrance oil. Pour the melted soap in the cavity. The reason why I am using this red on red color is that you can make a 2 types of the soap by using this same procedure. One is you can use a colored flower with a transparent base or with of the same color. They are done now. Let them keep aside for the harden. Okay, these are our soaps. This is how they look like, just like a full rose flower. Let's unmold them. Slightly stretch the wall of the molds and then remove out. Do you know why we use that crystal soap base around the rose flowers? This crystal soap base give the translucent boundary around the rose flowers. Because of the translucentness, we get fine and delicate rose flower texture plus a convenient square-shaped grip. Take a close look of them. How perfect luxurious soap it is. So these are our rose flower soaps in different colors. This is how our rose soap look like during washing. Melt and pour soap bases of Pure and So Select are very good. They don't give you a much leather, but they definitely cleans the skin, and plus they are very soft in the use. Yeah, that's it. Links of the ingredient are mentioned in the description box. If you have any query regarding this video, please comment me and let me know. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.